Hi everyone, my name is Cameron Lambertson. I am a digital equipment specialist here at Zahn Dental. So the first thing first I'd like to say is that people don't realize the timing is really important. So if you are looking to take advantage of some tax savings for Section 179 that we're going to go through in a little bit, it's very important to make sure that you have an invoice for this year. In order to have an invoice for this year, you need to have all equipment shipped out and sent to the lab for us to be able to produce that invoice. So I would highly suggest to take a look at this in November, and the latest would be early December, just to make sure that we can definitely get it taken care of for you to count for 2023. So a couple of things to take a look at as far as promotions. What we're running for end of year is obviously some of our best pricing of the year. So it might mean taking a look at upgrading a scanner in your lab for a faster, more accurate scanner that can fit a full articulator inside of it. Or maybe it looks like a good time for you to be adding a printer into the lab, whether you're outsourcing models or you want to start adding more applications into the lab like night guards or dentures or custom trays. Another thing you could take a look at is a speed sintering oven. So if maybe you want to diversify the options that you have, a same day or a rush day case, you now have that option in some of our furnaces like the Sintra CS. So we have a lot of promotions running right now. Best thing would be to reach out to us and set up a consultation. We can go through some of the promotions that we're running right now. We can have a conversation with our financing manager, go through all of our options, and also talk about those tax savings and benefits. So I'd like to also introduce our Henry Schein Financial Services manager that we work with, Joe Paul. He's the best. So Joe, if you could kind of go through why end of year is so important and why it's the best time to purchase for our customers.
Definitely. Thanks, Cameron. I appreciate the introduction. Hey everyone, Joe Paul here. I'm the finance manager for Zahn, and now that you're considering the decision to move forward with upgrading your lab's equipment and technology, I'll be here to help provide flexible and competitive terms to help maximize the lab's cash flow. Also here to remind you of the importance of your Section 179 tax deductions for 2023. Section 179 refers to an IRS code that allows you as a taxpayer to deduct the cost of certain types of property on their income tax as an expense, rather than requiring the property to be depreciated over time. This deduction is applied directly to your taxable income. So in 2023, you have the ability to acquire new equipment, furniture, or technology for the lab, and that may be able to be deducted up to just over $1 million in cost in the first year. With tax benefits at an all-time high, there is no better time to invest in your lab. This obviously seems great, but what does it actually mean to you? Let's say you buy a new piece of equipment or technology in 2023 for $75,000. You may be able to deduct the entire cost of the equipment off of your taxable income for 2023. So for instance, if you're being taxed at a 30% tax bracket, you're looking to get about $23,000, $24,000 in tax breaks off of that $75,000 purchase. Effectively, this is going to reduce the cost of your equipment. So it's like receiving a discount up front on that equipment cost. By taking 179 tax deductions, you can receive a large tax benefit right away. This obviously frees up cash flow for the lab and makes it easier for you to grow. Here at Henry Schein Financial Services, we're here to offer competitive financing, help you invest in new equipment and technology that you need, that will offer different terms, allowing deferred payments and different lengths of options available to you so that you can enjoy the tax benefits now and get no payments into next year. We even have a program called Route 66, which allows for no payments for the first 6 months, followed by 6 months at $99, and then the full term of payments thereafter. This means there's only $594 coming out of your pocket in year one, essentially having the equipment pay for itself by the time the first payment is due. Let's get all of your equipment needs covered for 2023 now, get that additional revenue generated while eliminating expenses from the technology, and also take advantage of all your Section 179 benefits and deductions now, but again, have no out-of-pocket expenses until next year. Year end is right around the corner and time is running out, so in order to qualify, please reach out to Karen and her team or your local Zahn team representative to discuss the next steps in your equipment purchases today, and then also your accountant or tax advisors with any additional questions related to your tax benefits under Section 179. Look forward to working with you and have a great day.